Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, let's get ready for some cleaning motivation. I'm about to clean out my car, and I'm going to be honest with you here. I have not done this in over a year. The last time I cleaned out my car was before my daughter Chloe was born, and so it is pretty disgusting. As you can see here, there's garbage piled up in the sides, there's nasty salt marks on the door from my feet, there's just crumbs everywhere. You can see that there's dead leaves. There's even sand from when the car used to be housed in Florida, because my car is a hand-me-down from my in-laws, and it used to be in Florida where there was sand. So yes, there is even sand on my floor still. Now today, to clean out my car, I'm going to be using a couple different things. I actually started out using my portable Dyson vacuum, but as you'll see later in the video, it ran out of battery. I also have my little Shark Handy Vac that I like to use to get into small spaces. And then I end up using my actual plug-in regular Dyson towards the end when I have no more battery left in the original Dyson that I started using. I'm also going to be using my Mrs. Meyers spray, and that is in the scent Lilac. It is actually one of my two favorite scents, both of which are spring scents, and they're only available during the springtime, so luckily they are available right now. And if you do want to try those out, I have a link in my description bar below, and that link will get you a free set of Mrs. Meyers cleaning products, including hand soap, dish soap, the spray, and a free caddy that it all comes in. And that can be all free to you as long as you just use my link below. Now let's get into the cleaning part of this video. As you can tell, there are all sorts of weird things in my car. Why do I have a Letterman jacket from my high school in the back of my car? I have no idea. But we're gonna get all of this stuff cleared out. We're gonna get it vacuumed and cleaned up, get it smelling nice with that Mrs. Meyers spray, and it's gonna be nice and clean by the end of this video. So sit back and enjoy yourself, watch me clean my car, and hopefully this helps you get motivated to get out and clean your own car.
As you are, just the way you are, keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. Shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are.
Okay, so anyone else's kids refuse to leave their shoes on in the car? Honestly, I swear there's at least 2 pairs of shoes in the back of my car at all times.
Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now. It's some kind of devotion that brings me down. That without my love for the ocean, I will be no one, no You're holding my mind in a tight grip when I walk all over you, and your blood is in the water.
as you can see, I actually switched from using paper towels to using a microfiber cloth to clean. I was just realizing that the paper towels were leaving behind too much of that powdery residue, and I just didn't like the way it was turning out. And now the part that is super satisfying, getting to see the clean car. I cannot tell you how nice it is to open my car door and not see dirt, leaves, sand, random junk from who knows when piled up everywhere. It really is the most satisfying thing. So I hope that this video has helped motivate you to get out and get your own car cleaned or accomplish whatever is on your to-do list today. And here's a look at everything that came out of the car. Yes, that's a shovel, 3 umbrellas, 4 snow scrapers. Oh, and here's all the trash. Thank you so much for stopping by today. And don't forget to like this video if you want to see more like it, and make sure that you subscribe to see more of my videos to come. Thanks again. Bye-bye.